What if you could predict what your customers want before they even know it? For small business owners, predictive analytics powered by AI can be a game changer. It helps you forecast trends, plan smarter, and reduce risk, all while saving time and money. In today's lesson, I'll show you how to use AI tools like Tableau, Looker, and ChatGPT to make predictions that grow your business. Let's jump right to it. Predictive analytics uses your past data, like sales, customer behavior, and seasonal trends, to make forecasts about the future. Here's why it's important. You can stock the right products at the right time. You can time your promotions perfectly. You can eliminate guesswork and focus on what works. Whether you're planning for the holidays or a quiet season, predictive analytics makes your business decisions smarter and more strategic. Here are 3 AI tools you can use right now. Number 1, Tableau AI. This will help you visualize trends and forecast demand. An example, input your sales data from the past 3 years to see a clear pattern of when specific products are in demand. Number 2, Looker. This will help you dive deeper into customer behaviors. An example, Looker alerts you when sales for a key product are trending up so you can restock before running out. Number 3, ChatGPT. This will help you turn insights into actionable strategies. An example prompt, based on these trends, what product should I prioritize for the holiday season? Together, these tools create a complete picture of your market and make planning easier than ever. Let me show you how one small business used predictive analytics. The business is a local clothing store. The challenge? They had inconsistent Black Friday sales and inventory issues. The solution? They used Tableau AI to predict demand for jackets and boots in November. Looker revealed that customers aged 25 through 34 were their biggest Black Friday shoppers. ChatGPT recommended flash sales for the morning rush and a last chance evening promotion for accessories. The result? Jackets and boots sold out without overstocking, and total Black Friday sales increased by 40% compared to the previous year. Predictive analytics can help you plan smarter, reduce risk, and grow your business with confidence. Want to learn how to get started? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation today at investinyourself101.com. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business smarter with AI.